arithmetic progression. Example 14. Here, find the sum of the first 1000 positive integers. See, here they are asking find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. Now the solution, s is equal to, here first 1000 positive integers means 1, 2, 3, so on up to 1000. Now s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus 1000. Here a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2 minus 1, that is 1, and n is equal to 1000. Now we should find out the sum of first 1000 positive integers, that means s value. Now we know that the s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now s is equal to n value is 1000. 1000 by 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 into d, that means 1000 minus 1 into d value is 1. Now s is equal to, here 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10 and 2 zeros, that means 500. Here 2 ones are 2 plus 1000 minus 1 is 999. Now s is equal to 5000 into 2 plus 999 is 1001. Now s is equal to 500 into 1001 is 5 lakh 500, that is 500 500. Now in this example, second problem, now find the sum of the first n positive integers. Find the sum of first n positive integers. Now solution, let s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on n. This is the n positive integers. Here a is equal to 1 and d is equal to a2 minus a1, that means 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now s is equal to n by 2 into a value is 1 plus n minus 1 into d value is 1. Now s is equal to n by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 is n minus 1. S is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus n, here plus into plus n, here plus into minus 1. Now s is equal to n by 2 into, here n plus 2 minus 1 is 1, n plus 1. Therefore s is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. The sum of first n positive integers is s is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. Now example 15. Find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Here we should find the sum of first 24 terms and the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. That means here only an value they given. They didn't give a1 value, a2 value, a3 value, so on. That means they didn't give arithmetic progression. Now we should find out a1, a2, a3 first. Now solution, what they given in the question, an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Now a1 is equal to, we should find out a1, a2, a3, so on. a1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into, here n value is 1, 2 into 1, 3 plus 2 ones are 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now a2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into, here n value is 2, 2 into 2. Now 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. Now a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. Therefore a3 is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now therefore arithmetic progression is 5, 7, 9, so on. Now we know the a value, a is equal to 5. Now D is equal to 7 minus 5, that means 2. N is equal to 24. They are asking first 24 terms. Therefore, now S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here S is equal to n value is 24 by 2 into a value is 5 plus n value 24 minus 1 into D value is 2. Now S is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 into 2 5s are 10 plus here 24 minus 1 is 23 into 2. Now S is equal to 12 into 10 plus 23 2s are 46. Now S is equal to 12 into 50, 10 plus 46 is 56. S is equal to 12 into 56 is 672. Now the sum of first 24 terms is 672. Example 16. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the seventh year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production in the first year and the production in the 10th year, the production in the first 7 years. See, now solution. Since the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, the numbers of TV sets manufactured in first, second and third so on years will form an arithmetic progression. See here, why we are saying here arithmetic progression? Because here uniformly, see, the production increased uniformly by a fixed number. That's why whatever this sequence is there, that is a arithmetic progression. Now let us denote the number of TV sets manufactured in the nth year BAN. Now what they given in the question, 600 sets in the third year, that means A3 is equal to 600, and 700 sets in the seventh year, that means A7 is equal to 700. A3 we can write A plus 2D. Here A3 we can write A plus 2D is equal to 600, and A7 we can write A plus 6D is equal to 700. A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 6D is equal to 700. Now this is equation 1 and equation 2. See here A3, that means what is the nth term formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Similarly, we can write this A7 also. Now, subtract these two equations. A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 6D is equal to 700. Now change the signs. Here plus A become minus A, plus 60 becomes minus 60, plus 700 becomes minus 700. Here plus A minus A cancel. Minus 60 plus 2D is minus 4D is equal to, here minus 700 plus 600 is minus 100. Minus get cancel, and 4D is equal to 100. D is equal to 100 by 4. Now 4 ones are 4, 25s are. Therefore D value is 25. Here D value is 25, and A plus, this D value substitute in equation 1. A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 2 into D value is 25 is equal to 600. A plus 2 into 25 is 50 is equal to 600. A is equal to 600. This plus 50 comes to right hand side, it will be minus 50. Now A is equal to 600 minus 50 is 550. Therefore A means first year, A1. Therefore production of TV sets in the first year is 550. Now what they ask, find the production of TV sets in the 10th year. Now we should find out the production of TV sets in the 10th year. That means A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. A10 is equal to, here A value is 550 plus 9 into D value is 25. A10 is equal to 550 plus 925 is 225. Now A10 is equal to 550 plus 225 is equal to 775. Now third one, what they asked in third one, the total production of TV, find the total production of TV sets in the first 7 years. In the first 7 years they are asking total production. Now see here they are asking first 7 years total production. That means we should take sum of n term formula. S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S is equal to, here 7 years they are first 7 years, that means n is equal to 7. 7 by 2 into a value is 550 plus n minus 1, that means 7 minus 1 into d value is 25. Now S is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into 550 is 1100 plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into 25. Now S is equal to 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 25 into 6 is 150. Now S is equal to 7 by 2 into 1100 plus 150 is 1250. Now cancel this 2 and 1250. We will get S is equal to 7 into 625. Now S is equal to 7 into 625 is 4375. Now the total production of TV sets in first 7 years is 4375.